There's a second vehicle right there.
They knew they was coming to get it.
He said they just pulled this one out yesterday.
Oh, really?
Pulled it out yesterday. Gonna get it caught. That's what actually was down in the bush.
Two for one. Alright, well that guy's not gonna be happy. He comes out here and two of his trucks that he's trying to hide from a bank are gone. The only bad thing about it is once he finds out these are gone, we also have a four-wheeler to get from the same customer, from the same bank. So I'm sure we're not going to ever find that one. But that's 2 for 1 customer. That worked out pretty good since he wasn't here. Bye-bye.